Class, please stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, class. Please sit down. So, let's check your attendance. Amante? Very good. All of you are present. So now, let's proceed to our topic, which is the inverse of a matrix. So, Rualis, do you have any idea about the inverse of the matrix? Yes, excellent. So, in linear algebra, an n by n square matrix A is called invertible. So here I have an example which we will find the inverse of a matrix. And now, let's proceed to the step 1, which we will find the determinant of a matrix A. And in finding the determinant of matrix A, we will use this fact to find it. So, first thing we do is we need to cross multiply the 4 and 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. So we must not forget to always put a minus sign before anything else. So again, we will cross multiply the 6 and 5. So 6 times 5 is equal to 30 exactly. So 30. The next is we will simplify this thing. So 28 minus 30 is negative 2. So our determinant of matrix A is negative 2. Next, step 2, which we will find the adjoint of matrix A. So in getting the adjoint of a matrix A, again we will use this fact, which is the 4, 5, 6, and 7. So first we think to do is we need to switch this 4 and 7. So which is the upper right, which is to become 7, and the left side down is 4. So next is the 6 and 5, we just only change their signs. So positive 5 will become negative 5, and the positive 6 will become negative 6. So our adjoint of a matrix A is positive 7, negative 5, negative 6, and 4. And so for our final step, we are going to use this formula to get the inverse of a matrix. So A minus 1 equals 1 over det A times ADG of... Are you still with me? Alright, so here are the values that help us to get the inverse of a matrix, which our determinant of A is negative 2, and our ADG of A is 7, negative 5, negative 6, and 4. So let's continue. So we apply these values to our formula. So A to the power of negative 1 is equal to 1 over, so our determinant A is negative 2 over negative 2. So times our ADG A, which is 7, negative 6, negative 5, and 4. Now, since this fraction is multiplying with the matrix, so that means this fraction is going to get multiplied. So we multiply, and this gonna be 7 over negative 2, negative 5 over negative 2, negative 6 over negative 2, and 4 over negative 2. We need to simplify this to reduce the fraction. So it will be negative 7 over 2, and this is gonna be 5 over 2, and next is this will become 3, and this will become negative 2. So is everything clear, class? Alright, since you are clearly understand my discussions, I will give you an assignment, and please write it down in your assignment notebook. Okay, class, are you done copying your assignments? Okay, class, thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow.